Did you know one man killed more people than Hitler, yet most people have never heard his name? Meet Genrikh Yagoda, the monster who ran Stalin's secret police from 1934 to 1936. Yagoda didn't just order deaths, he enjoyed them. He collected photos of his victims like trading cards. He built a private torture room in Moscow's most feared prison. When he executed someone, he made their families pay for the bullets. His deadliest creation was the White Sea Canal Project. 250,000 prisoners died building it with their bare hands in freezing cold. He designed the worst prison camps in history, where millions starved and froze to death. But Yagoda's cruelty went beyond mass murder. He framed innocent people in fake trials, forcing them to confess to crimes they never committed before killing them. The twisted ending? In 1938, Stalin turned on Yagoda. The man who murdered over 10 million people was executed by the same system he created. Even monsters aren't safe from their own evil.